Oh, tight squeeze. No cooling coil. So I got here, no fan. Thought it was a dead fan. Capacitor good down there. So what I did was I exposed a little piece of the fan cool wire and jumped it to the always hot on the transformer, 110 side, and the fan lit. So I'm gonna rig this up. So for temp power, I took my cooling leg from the blower and I just put it all in series, basically jumped it all back to constant hot at the transformer to get these folks. Now this fan gonna run, but it's 90 degrees. I don't think they'll mind until Monday when I can get back here with a control board. Time to zip it all back up. That's it. That's all, folks. See you in the next one. Peace.